2003 to 2006 Mercedes E320 front air spring video. Check it out. Safely raise and support the vehicle and remove the front wheel to gain access to the front air spring. Make certain that the vehicle is supported and remove the electrical connector and the air line from the upper strut. Remove the wheel well cover to gain access to the electrical connector, then disconnect it and remove it. Those Christmas tree connectors can be a pain. Now guys, take care in taking out the wheel well liner because you're going to have to put it back in. Here's a little tip for you. If you're having trouble tracing the line, just start from the strut and work your way back to the plug. That way you know exactly where it is and you disconnect the correct one. Disconnect the lower strut bolt and the upper control arm. Remove the upper strut nuts and the lower strut bolt, then remove the strut from the vehicle. Remove the new strut from the Strutmasters box and install it in the vehicle. Attach, then tighten the top strut nuts and insert the bottom strut bolt. Attach, then tighten the upper control arm and tighten the lower strut bolt. Now you see there where the reason why he used the channel lock was he was having problems getting the ball joint to fit up in the hole like it's supposed to. When you apply a little bit of pressure with the channel lock, it slides it up onto the taper sleeve, then he can tighten it with no problem. Reinstall the wheel cover and the front wheel and safely lower the vehicle to the ground. This is where taking your time taking out that wheel cover will pay huge dividends. This concludes the mechanical installation of the front air spring conversion. If you have any problems with the electrical, feel free to give us a call at Strutmasters.